This is the complete tutorial on the haircut of the AURONPLAY. First, watch the video from the beginning to the end. After that, when you're working with your model or mannequin head, watch the technical segment until you see the stop sign. At that point, practice that technique. If you have any questions, watch the segment again. Let's do it! To start, section the hair using this pattern. To remove all of the hair outside of the horseshoe-shaped section, we will use the detachable clippers with the 3.5 comb. To customize, always determine the best comb size for your client. I will start on the size first to confirm I like the length. I will remove the hair using vertical passes from the bottom to the top, preserving the length on the curve of the head. Using the clipper over comb technique, we touch the haircut vertically and horizontally. Using the triple or detachable comb, we will clean the perimeter and then the sideburns. To create a blended fade, I will use the triple R comb by creating a shorter fade on the temporal area going from the front to the back. Okay, Angel, move the head. I can see what you're doing. Repeat the same technique on the other side of the head. Using the 3.5 detachable comb or other shorter if you desire, cut the rest of the hair on the back and nape using the same vertical technique. Remember to never follow the round of the head, continuing straight up. This will create a graduation on the curve of the head. This type of clippers cut the hair really fast. I remember when I was in the military and I used to cut about 100 people every single day on the barbershop, and this type of clippers will get really hot. So hot that I had to have a 2 pair so I can change it from one to the other. But I would never have been able to cut 100 people in one day without this type of clippers. Use the texturizing scissors over comb to blend the haircut. This will help with the styling process and how this haircut grows. To cut the interior part of the horseshoe shape on the top, We will use the twin comb technique to create a pompadour shape, creating an increment from the back to the front. This particular condensed technique is ideal for this type of styles. This technique will allow you to give your client a brand new experience. And believe me, the clients always associate the end results with the technique that you use on their hair. The fact is, more barbers or stylists won't be able to reproduce the experience, and in some cases, even the results. This angle on the crown to connect with the back. Using the point cutting technique, clean the top. On a horizontal cut, using the guide on the middle. This guide on the middle was created by using the twin combs. The centerpiece is always the shorter piece when you condense the hair. To continue with this haircut, divide the top of the hair with a middle part, and then separate the front to the back from ear to ear. To cut the hair on the sides, we will use the freeform technique with a razor blade. Cut a diagonal forward at the desired length. For freeform, we use the razor blade with a handle to give us a free access to the hair and more control. This will give your client a custom-tailored type of experience. To connect the section from the front to the back, use the razor blade and do a diagonal back using your blade and freeform. This will add a directional movement of the hair going back. Repeat the same technique on the other side. Remove the desired hair using the freeform technique with the blade as needed. Repeat the same technique on the other side. To add direction, texture, and movement, use the blending shears. Always have in consideration the density of the hair. Move the blade on the desired direction as you will running your fingers through your hair. The thinning shears with a small teeth will be your best friend to blend different lengths, keeping contrasted lengths or disconnected on the same haircut. To clean up the crown area of the hair, we will be using the French technique, cutting the hair on a curve. The French cutting technique cuts on the top of the fingers, the opposite of the precision cutting, which is used on top of the palm. Use this technique to the highest point of the head. To help with the design direction, use this texturizing technique. For this segment, I'm using the texturizing shears with a wider teeth. To dry these hairstyles, use a flexible product that adds volume and texture. To apply product, always start on the back and keep moving forward. I recommend you avoid the front at the beginning. This might result in excessive product usage. To dry this hairstyle, use a bend brush. Push the hair forward and avoid getting volume on the sides. On the front area, if needed, use the round brush to straighten the hair up. To make this style lighter, use the texturizing technique on the ends. This will make this style a lot easier for the client to fix. And remember to always use your favorite product to finish it off. Hope these techniques work for you today and in the future. After you're done with this look, take a picture and send it to me on my social. If you'd like to see more videos with clipper work, leave a comment on the description. This is Angel del Solar sharing with you the AURONPLAY haircut.